Hello guys, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. As you can see, I'm using a completely different software than what I usually use, and that's because I've switched over. I've made the switch to TrendSpider. This software has a lot more features than TradingView, and I think it could definitely be of value to you if you're looking to get more serious into trading cryptocurrency as well as stocks and anything you want to trade. You can basically trade it on here. Has a lot more features. It has automated trend lines, so you can see right here it will automatically put up the trend lines for you if you need that. Of course, you could still draw your own. They allow you to draw your own if you want to, of course. They have alerts that you could create. So we're going to be talking about this a little bit, and I am still learning the software. I'm not going to lie to you. While I do have previous technical analysis experience, I am still learning this software. This software has features that I don't even know how to use yet, but my plan is to get better at using it and show you guys how to use it, because I think this is going to be a lot better for you than TradingView and most other softwares out there. So just to give you a little brief overview of how it works, you can put in whatever you want over here. This is going to be the asset you're looking at, or the commodity, or the crypto, or whatever. There's also a watch list you could add stuff to over here. Alerts, this is a really big one. I added an alert over here for when I was just testing the software, right? And I added a Bollinger Band alert, and you could see it right here. And this was for a ETF, okay? And I added the alert to notify me when a red candlestick breaks below the Bollinger Band. Now, these are very customizable. You could make it more sensitive, less sensitive. And there's so much you could do with these alerts. You could get them on your phone. Really awesome stuff. Again, there's the watch list, there's the alerts. Let's move back over to XRP. We could just type it in. XRP, let's look at it to USD, right? Pull that up. Another thing I wanted to mention, guys, you can see these look different than candlesticks because they are. While this software has everything you need, it has candlesticks, it has bars, it has anything you need, right? But you can see, why aren't I using candlesticks? I'm using raindrops. What raindrops do is they give you a much better analysis of what the price is actually doing, because they could show you where the volume is forming on the particular thing you're looking at. Another awesome thing to look at is you can see these blue raindrops. These are actually very important. You can see one right here where my mouse is. These blue raindrops are actually very important. What those do is those will actually form around support and resistance levels, okay? These blue raindrops right here. You can see that right there. Those will form around support and resistance levels when it comes to whatever you're looking at. They are more common in I find them to be more common in the cryptocurrencies, a little bit less common in stocks and things like that, but that's just because of, like, I'm guessing volatility and things like that. But it's something to look for, and this software has a ton of different features that I haven't even scratched the surface, right? I've only been testing it for a few hours. Again, you could turn off the automatic trend lines, turn it back on, turn off your indicators, turn it back on. If you want to add an indicator, you just click on it over here on the side, and you could add an indicator if you want. If we wanted to add right over here, MACD, we could do that. See right here. And we could see it show up right over here. You could see that we added the MACD, click apply, and here we go. I did two by accident, I think. Yeah, I did, but whatever. You could see that, and you could look for MACD crossings, of course, and you could buy those crossings when you find them to be aligned with your trading strategy. You have RSI, you have everything and then some. There's so much in the software. If you do want to get it, it does cost a little bit of money. You do support the channel if you purchase the product through my link. Link is in the description and the comment section. If you get it, it's a subscription base. So if you try it and you don't like it and you're not into it, you could cancel it, all right? But I think you're gonna like it. In fact, I would go as far to say I know you're gonna like it, because I'm really excited to use it. And this, guys, this is gonna give me the tools to do better analysis on what we're talking about, and this is gonna really improve the videos. I know my channel's been getting a lot of views lately, and I said, hey, it's time for an upgrade. It's time to upgrade from that crappy version of TradingView and get something that has a lot more features and a lot more analysis tools for me to use. Again, if you want to purchase it, it's subscription based. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider, check it out, guys. At least give it a try for a month. See if you like it. And I find, in my personal opinion, when you invest money into something, you're more likely to stick with it. right? If you're doing something free, you're kind of half in and half out. But if you put money into something, like you're gonna put it into this software, which is subscription based. Again, it's not a lot of money. It's like $30 a month, I believe. And if you do that, you'll actually be more motivated to learn about trading because you're like, hey, I already invested, I might as well learn, right? So definitely keep that in your mind. Check it out. Again, one final word, link is in the description and the comment section. I'm gonna get going. I know it was a short video. I just wanted to kind of give this as a introduction to the software I'm gonna be using in future videos. Check it out and have a great day as always, guys.